Hello, I'm Guy Selger from TorrentPlans.com. This is my friend Chuck. He recently returned from a galaxy far, far away, and he brought back this item that it was like the item I was looking forward to most from Galaxy's Edge because I'm a crazy person, but it's the Resistance MRE. And if you're not putting it together, this is what Luke Skywalker ate on Dagobah when he met up with Yoda.
Yep.
So deliciously obscure, I can taste it on my tongue, and it tastes so sweet. I'm so glad they made this. So, I mean, like, we did a video reviewing DJ Rex. Check that out on the Torn Plains channel, the channel you're watching right now. We did a video on the fashion, some apparel from Galaxy's Edge, like this jacket Chuck is wearing here. But I said the MRE needs to get its own video.
Definitely.
So we're going to go into this, do some taste testing, and I can't wait. So here it is right here. Let's go over what's included in this bad boy. Okay. We got lemon candies.
So lemon heads, right?
Lemon heads. We got cheddar crackers.
AKA Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its. Peanut butter pretzels, the kind you would get at Cost Plus or, whatever, Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
Pretzel rods, normal grocery store brand pretzel rods, I assume. Honey roasted peanuts. Now, everything on this bottom row is like the smallest little container ever. So I'm wondering if there's going to be like 5 of each of these. Honey roasted peanuts. Chocolate flavored cereal, which looks like Cocoa Puffs. We got some orange jelly beans. We got some mints that look like Tic Tacs. And we got some French burnt peanut, which I've never heard anything referred to that ever, but we assume that's Boston baked beans.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to point out, too, this packaging is crazy. On the back, it's got, the picture of all the stuff, and then it's got the nutritional information. And then you can flip it up for even more nutritional information for each item in there. I think that's hilarious. Also, you want to tell them the price of this?
$24.99.
$24.99
for a handful of bulk candy. Like the ultimate Disney snack grift I've ever seen, but I don't regret buying this.
No, yeah, and I'm going to buy one of my own too. So this just came like this?
Yeah.
Just like slide out like this?
Yeah, on the shelf, just like that.
That's so interesting to me.
Yeah.
But then I guess that's cool because, you could just display this like this.
Yeah, if you wanted to.
And you could refill it.
That's true.
Or you could buy fake Cheez-Its and put it in there.
Take it back to the park with you every time you go.
Yeah.
With your own snacks.
I envision someone only living out of this. Like some super big Star Wars fan.
Are you picturing you in the near future?
Maybe. Refilling this, Nutri-Grain bars, whatever. I'd put hot tamales in it.
Oh, for sure.
And just eating out of this for the rest of their life. Anyway, let's get into this. So this is covered in a suspiciously thick layer of plastic.
Yeah.
So I'm
for freshness. I assume.
Yeah. I assume.
So I got this 4 days ago. There's an expiration date on the back.
The expiration date is October 5th, 2019.
Okay.
So you got some time.
All right.
I mean, this is great. It looks
nice and textured.
From what I remember, it looks exactly like it did in Empire Strikes Back.
You know better than me because you were the one that dropped the bomb on me that's what this is supposed to.
We should open this
up.
Let's
do it.
It's got a little clip here. Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
When you were a kid, or maybe even now, were you always like strangely satisfied by the sound of plastic? Like
I would always just sit there and open, close, open, close.
Let's. Not super satisfying, but pretty satisfying. Okay. Here we go. We're opening up. Okay, now I did not expect this.
I didn't either.
This is very cool. There's a layer of plastic over everything. I'm going to remove it.
Go for it.
Okay, removing the plastic. Now, let's do a smell test.
It smells like a bunch of insane food together at once.
Yes, but to me, I mostly smell the Tic Tacs.
I do too. Yeah.
Okay. So, what item do you want to try first?
I'm going to go with the one closest to me and do a peanut butter filled pretzel.
Peanut butter filled pretzel, here we go. Looks good. Oh, I can see the peanut butter poking out too. Here we go. It's good peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
Good saltiness.
I need some water though.
Yeah, we should have had water.
We should have.
So, moving right along, I want to try the French burnt peanuts just because they do look so galactic.
Yeah, they're pretty alien.
Yeah, they look alien. There we go. Okay, we're gonna try the. Oh,
that's good.
That's good. It's like a peanut with like a. Or maybe, is it a peanut?
Yeah, it's
like
a peanut.
Thin, spiky candy layer to it. That's pretty good. Okay.
There's no specific candy flavor to it.
Yeah.
There's probably 40 people watching this screaming about French burnt peanuts.
Probably.
That they've known their whole life.
I assume it's like a regional thing. It's really popular in like Wyoming or something.
Right.
Let's get a Cheez-It going here, or a cheese cracker. No salt. No salt on cheese cracker.
Oh, you're right.
This tastes like a pretty standard store-bought Cheez-It knockoff.
Yeah.
Nothing against that. I like to do the savory first, so
okay. Let's finish off with the pretzel rod.
Yeah, the pretzel rod,
Let's
and then or honey roasted peanut. Which one do you want to do?
Let's do the pretzel rod.
Okay, pretzel rod. Here we go. So here's the pretzel rod.
Plenty of salt.
Plenty of salt, unlike the Cheez-Its. Mmm. Very crunchy.
Yeah, salty.
Yeah, that's good.
It's actually got a flavor, unlike the cheese cracker.
I agree. I would eat this again.
Yeah, for sure. But for cheaper, when I refill this later.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. I'm just now noticing that there's 2 orange jelly beans and 2 chocolate puffed cereal. I don't endorse any specific brand of cereals.
Okay, honey roasted peanut.
All right.
That's a really cheap, crappy.
Oh God, that tastes stale.
Yeah, that's not good.
That is something you found at a gas station in the middle of the desert.
Yeah, and it's like old. That's not what a $25.
Do you taste any honey on it?
No.
Yeah, it tastes like a chalky peanut that fell apart instantly.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah. I don't like that.
Oh, I have some breaking news from my wife.
Breaking news.
French burnt peanuts, also known as candy peanuts, used to be sold by the scoopful at the corner candy store, but now are a bit harder to find. They're peanuts, delicious fresh Spanish peanuts covered in a crunchy candy shell, a favorite of dads and grandpas everywhere.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're not dads, but we're kind of grandpas.
That's true. I feel like it.
Yeah.
That explains why Yoda was so hot for this MRE.
True. Yeah.
As an old man.
Yeah. Okay. Good to know.
Right,
thank you.
Thank you,
Sally. Let's get right back into it. I love lemon candies.
Oh yeah.
So I think I'm gonna go.
Let's do it.
For the,
all right. It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's huge. Yeah. I forgot how they get stuck in every orifice in your mouth.
There's still chocolate or peanut butter pretzel back there.
Yeah. Okay, Chuck.
Yeah.
Which item would you like to try next?
I feel like we should work our way in.
Okay.
I feel like we gotta finish with the mint.
We definitely have to save the Tic Tacs for last.
Okay, let's do the cocoa cereal then.
Okay, cocoa cereal. Here we go. A little stale.
Little stale.
Or maybe it's just because I'm eating them without milk for possibly the first time ever.
Maybe. Hold on, I'm going for another one.
Yeah,
just in case.
this needs another. Very chocolatey.
Yeah. God, I haven't had a chocolate cereal in a long time.
Yeah, this makes me kind of want to like go get a bowl of Cocoa Puffs.
For sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, nothing to write home about, but good. Definitely better than the peanut.
Definitely.
Peanut, worst part of this whole deal.
All right, next up.
Jelly bean.
I'm a big fan of jelly beans. I can never eat just one at a time. I'm going to take 2.
Oh, well, I'm going to do what you're doing then.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Okay. First of all, definitely not Jelly Bean.
No, not at all.
Which is fine.
Mm-hmm.
Not every jelly bean has to be a Jelly Belly. But for $24.99, I would prefer
Give me a Jelly Belly.
Yeah. Still pretty good, though.
Yeah.
Not an intense, fakey orange flavor.
No.
It tastes pretty good.
Not really much of an orange flavor in general, actually.
Yeah, it's more just like chewy.
Like if I ate this whole thing at once, then I may be able to taste orange.
Yeah, it just tastes like candy.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. Before we get into the mint,
Yeah.
may I suggest something?
Let's do it.
We should combine
Oh, that's a good idea.
and see how it tastes, because I feel like this is meant to be combined.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do, I want us to each combine
Okay.
something and then have the other person try it.
Oh, I like it.
So I think you should try the Cheez-It mixed with the peanut butter
I'll do it.
pretzel.
All right. Here we go. I gotta get that shot in there.
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty dry. I feel like you did that on purpose.
I didn't.
Okay.
This should come with a Capri Sun.
Oh God.
Can you imagine how good a Capri Sun would taste right now?
They could charge $30 for it if they
Yeah,
did that.
they really could.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a better combo.
Okay.
Who doesn't love the delicious flavor combo of a chocolate and an orange?
That's true. That is I feel like that's a Christmas thing.
Yeah.
Kinda, right?
And you're getting two wildly different textures.
That's true.
So this could go anyway.
Here we go. The chewiness and the crunchiness may be off-putting to some people, but not me.
Yeah.
I like it. Orange and chocolate goes together great.
Yeah. What would you say if we tried one of everything at once?
We're doing it.
All right, let's do it.
We're doing it.
Well, how about, are we going to double down on the pretzel?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Oh, yeah. We got to
Okay.
do one of everything.
All right. We're throwing a mint in there too, right? Oh, I didn't get the lemon.
Oh, no.
Look at this.
Here we go. Oh, wait. I forgot to get the spiky peanut. Did you think George Lucas had this in mind when he created Star Wars?
I think this is the only thing he thought about.
Yeah.
He didn't know about Luke and Leia being related yet, but he knew about this.
Yeah.
He was like, I love both candy. I want to smash it all together at once.
Okay, here
All
we
right.
go. Cheers. Bottoms up. Oh, God.
There are parts of this, when they combine, pretty good.
I gotta say, that is not bad.
Yeah.
But the mint,
The mint is a weird bit.
yeah, like, if that was without the mint, I think that would be
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, absolutely. Everything tasted good until I bit into the mint.
Yeah,
And the
same
mint
here.
took over.
Yeah, same here. Just
Yeah.
like the smell, the mint took over the
Yep,
taste. Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay. Anything else to say about this wonderful collectible?
I highly recommend it. Can you go to the Sweet Factory or your local mall and get this for under $10? Yes.
Yes.
But why would you?
Yeah, it's here in a collectible
Yeah.
case. And, living the Star Wars dream.
Yeah, I've never felt more like a Star Wars in my life.
Yeah.
This feels really good.
Yeah.
I don't regret a single thing about
I feel
this.
connected with the Force.
Yeah, and I feel more connected to you.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
Especially after we had the concoction at
Yeah,
the end. That was great.
we got to get everybody we know to try the concoction of
Yeah.
everything at once.
What should we call that?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, leave a comment.
No, that's a good idea.
Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what we should try the
Mm-hmm.
concoction from the Resistance MRE from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland Resort.
Oh, and if you try to do that when you get this, leave your review.
Yes.
Also,
Yes.
we want to know what you have to think of, what you have to say about that too.
Yes, please. I think that's going to do for this
Yeah.
video. Thank you so much, Chuck, for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for bringing on this wonderful Resistance MRE. And be sure to check out our other Star Wars Galaxy's Edge videos.
May the spires keep you.
May the spires keep you.